Simplify. Given number 1, quantity of cube root times cube root of x raised to 12 power raised to 6. O nating masimplify itong exponent at itong indices. Ganito po. Divide natin bago tayo mag-multiply. So itong 12 divided by 3, that is 4. Ito ay 1 na lang. Then itong 6 naman divided by 3, that is 2. Ito sa baba ay 1 na lang. So multiply natin. 4 times 1 times 1 times 2, that is 8. So, ang final answer, x raised to 8 power. Number 2, ang ating exponent ay ating munang i-simplify. Ganito po. Then, divide natin muna. 8 divided by 4, that is 2. Then, multiply natin. 2 times 1, that is 2 times 2, that is 4. So, 2 raised to 4th power. Then, simplify pa natin ito. So, multiply itself 4 times itong 2. 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, that is 32.